Hello everyone, I'm Frank and welcome to Frank Puzzles. And this is today's easy level puzzle. And take that easiness with a grain of salt because it's considered easy by the people on the Logic Masters Germany forum, and there's a lot of really smart people there. Today's puzzle is called Dutch Penpalindromes, and it's by Signe. And here are the rules. We have normal Sudoku rules apply, which means in every cell in the grid, place a single digit such that every row, column, and designated 9-cell region contains the digits 1 through 9 exactly once each. Digits along a gray palindrome line read the same forward and backwards. The center of the line is indicated for clarity. Thank you. I appreciate these centers of lines because that helps a lot in trying to figure out what matches what. So this palindrome line reads the same going this way as it does going that way. And that's an example. That's how palindrome lines work. We have adjacent digits along an orange Dutch whisper lines differ by at least 4. And I will be calling the whisper 4 lines because that's an extension of what a setter came up with. And I thought it made a lot of sense because you could have whisper 4 versus whisper 5 lines, or whisper 3, or whisper 2, etc., etc. So on this whisper 4 line, if this were, say, a 3, this digit would have to be 7, 8, or 9. Because the only digits which can be 4 or more away from 3 is 7, 8, and 9. And that's an example of how whisper 4 lines, otherwise known as Dutch whisper lines, work. We also have digits separated by a black crop key dot are in a 2-to-1 ratio. So, for example, if this were, say, a 2 here, this would have to be 1 or 4 to maintain the 1-to-2 ratio between them. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay, my eye is immediately drawn to this set of black Kropke dots, where this digit is in a 1-to-2 ratio with 2 other unique digits. So the only possible digits that could be here then are 2 and 4. And if this is 2, this is 1, 4 here, and 1, 4 here. And if this is 4, this is 2, 8 here, and this is 2, 8 here. Either of which require that this has to be 2, 4, or there has to be a 2 and 4 in this set of 3 digits, right? If it's 2, it's with 1 and 4. If it's 4, it's with 2 and 8. So therefore, this cannot contain 2 or 4 as a 1-to-2 ratio. So that means this has to be 3 and 6 to be in a 1-to-2 ratio. Which means the remaining digits in row 5 cannot contain 2, 3, 4, or 6. So they could be 1, 8, 5, 7, or 9. So this corresponds to the digit here. So that's 3 or 6. This is 2 or 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that must be... That's not right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, okay, yeah, that is right. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, that's 6 away. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away is that digit. So these digits are the same. Which means 2 or 4 has to be one of those digits there. Anytime you have 3 unique digits, well, we don't know if these are unique. Well, yeah, they have to be. Because this digit must be 4 away from both of these. And these are in the same column. So this cannot be 4 or more away from both of these. So this cannot be in the same... These can't be the same digit because these are 4 or more away from this. And they're in the same column here, so therefore there can't have to be different digits here. So anytime you have three digits, which unique digits, which are four or more away from their neighbors, which would be the other two digits, it has to be a 159 triplet. Because the only digits which can be four or more away from so this digit is basically four or more away from both of these, right? And then these have to be four or more away from each other. The only way you can get that combination to work is if you have 5 with 1 and 9, right? If you try to have any other combination, it just doesn't work, right? 2 and 6 doesn't work because what digit is 4 away from 6 and 4 away from 2? There is none, right? Same with a lot of other combinations. So the only one is 1, 5, and 9, and these are all distinctly different. So that means this digit cannot be 1, 5, and 9 because it sees all three of them. This has to then be 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, or 8. So that corresponds to this digit here, which is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And again, because this one of these has to be 2 and one of these has to be 4, this cannot be 2 or 4 here. So that matches that. This cannot be 2 or 4 there. Does any other cell see all three of these? I think the answer is no. This cell sees it by the palindrome because these two cells are the same. This cell sees both of these. This cell sees that one. So this also is 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. And this cannot be 3 or 6 because of the 3, 6 pair in the box. So this can't be 3 or 6. Any other cells? Probably not. So that one, no. Okay. These digits cannot contain 2 or 4. So we have 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These two have to be 2 away from each, at least 4 away from each other. Hmm. These 3 digits match these 3. Where should we... Yeah, maybe we should start coloring these. So let's remove the pink here. So let's color these. Pink, yellow, red, blue, orange, green, dark, medium, and light. Pink must match here, so that's pink. Dark and dark is there. Orange and orange is there. This is blue and blue, yellow and yellow, red and red. So, remaining colors in row 9 have to be light, medium, and green. So this is light, medium, and green. That means both of these are light, medium, and green, and this cannot be light or medium because of light or medium in the row. So no light or medium there. That's green, which matches this. So this is green, which eliminates green in the rest of the box or row. So this cannot be green here. It's light or medium. Therefore, the remaining digits in remaining colors in box 9 are light and medium. That leaves the remaining colors in row 8 as red, yellow, or dark. So that corresponds to this digit, which is red, yellow, or dark. That matches that. This matches that. This matches that. So again, these are the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's red, yellow, and dark. And then therefore this is red, yellow, or dark. Well, we have yellow and dark in the column here, so this cannot be yellow or dark. So that's red, which makes this red here. That eliminates red from the rest of the colors, or rest of the row. So this can't be red. Remaining digits here are green, pink, and blue. So that matches. This is green, pink, and blue. So is this. So green, pink, and blue. And green's already in the column, so this cannot be green here. This is blue, pink as a pair. Wait, it can't be green. It's green, orange, and blue. Apologies. Not green. Blue, pink, and orange. That means both of these are blue, pink, and orange. They cannot be orange, so this still is blue, pink, which forces this to be... Hold up, this is not red here. This is red here. So this matches here. This must match there. So this is blue, cannot be blue and pink, because this is a blue-pink pair here. So this must be orange, which makes this orange there. Okay. What are the remaining colors in column 9? We have light and medium and red. Red cannot be here, so therefore that forces red to be there, which matches that, so that's red. And this must be light or medium. Okay. We have orange, red, so this is green. This is medium, that matches that. These two digits are the same. Okay. And they cannot be light, green, red, yellow, pink, or medium. So this has to be dark orange or blue, which matches that. These must be dark orange or blue because they must match one of those cells. This matches this cell here. No, cannot be any of these colors, which is orange, red, or dark, medium, or orange. Remaining colors in column 8. We have light, medium, green, and pink. Light, medium, green, or pink. This cannot be green here because of the green in the box. So green is one of these two. So this is light, medium, pink, or green. Okay. That's fine. This is medium. So since this is medium, that means none of these could be medium. So we have light here, which means this can't be light, so that's pink, which means this can't be pink. That's blue, which eliminates blue here, so that's pink. Light eliminates light here, so that's medium, which eliminates medium here, so that's light. Pink eliminates pink here. So this is a light, green, and medium triplet. So no pink here. So what did we come up with? Orange, red, that's fine. This is blue. This cannot be blue here, so it's pink there. We didn't get much change there. Remaining colors in box 6 are blue, orange, and yellow or dark. Blue, orange, yellow, or dark. So this is also blue, orange, yellow, or dark, as is this. So these are blue, orange, yellow, dark. This can't be blue because of blue in the column. That matches here, so no blue there. So yellow, orange, and dark. This one could be anything. These two, so, wait, that's not true. This matches this one. Right, so I was thinking, okay, remaining digits then. Box 3. We have yellow, dark, and medium. So this is yellow, dark, and medium. Medium's here. Remaining digit colors in column 5. We have light, green, pink, red, and yellow. So no red here because of red in the row. No red here because of red in the row. This is orange, so this cannot be orange here, which matches that, so this can't be orange there. Blue eliminates blue from here. So this is yellow or dark, which means this can't be blue. That's yellow or dark. We have a yellow-dark pair in box 6, which eliminates yellow and dark in the rest of the box. So no yellow and dark, that's orange. No yellow and dark or orange, that's blue. So this is blue here, which matches that, which matches that. Orange eliminates orange here. So that makes that not orange. Blue eliminates blue here. So that means this can't be blue. So this yellow dark cannot be this one, so it has to match that one. So then this is the same as this yellow dark. So this is the 2, 4, 7, 8. This is light green, pink, or yellow. This is 5 colors. We have blue here. So let's mark these. So this is A, which matches that, and then this is that matching A. So this is B. B has to be one of these two. So A has to be one of these 3. Hold up, this is orange. So this is not yellow or dark. This is orange here. Which means orange cannot be here, orange cannot be here. Orange has to be one of these 2. Okay. Where are green, pink, and light in box 2? Can't be here because of green, pink, and light in the row. Can't be here because of the way the palindrome works. So they have to be these three cells. So this is green, pink, and light here. Where's orange then in box 2? Can't be here because of orange in the row, so this has to be orange here, which means this is orange there. This is green, pink, and light. So this is orange, this is orange. We have 8 oranges. We know where the last orange has to be. It has to be there. Remaining colors in row 1. We have dark, red, yellow, blue. Okay. So this matches this one. This cannot, so this red is one of these two, so this cannot be red here. And this cannot be red here. And this can't be red here. So where's red in row 1? It has to be here. So this is red. We have yellow, blue, and dark here. This matches this. And it cannot be yellow and dark. Sorry, blue and dark, so it must be yellow. So this is yellow, which eliminates yellow here. No yellow here. So this is yellow, which means none of these can be yellow. Yellow eliminates yellow here, so that's dark, which means all of these cannot be dark. They are yellow. Yellow eliminates yellow there. So that's dark and medium. We have blue dark as a pair here. Blue dark as a pair here, which leaves the remaining digits in column 4, or colors, as pink and medium. This can't be pink because of pink in the row, so no pink there. That's medium, which means this can't be medium. That's pink, which eliminates pink from these cells here. Where is red in column 6? It has to be here. And this is light or green, which matches that, so this cannot be pink there. This is lighter green. Dark here means this can't be dark, so that's blue, which means this can't be dark, so that's blue, which eliminates blue there, so that's dark, which means this can't be dark, it's blue. Medium here eliminates medium here, so this can't be medium there. Okay. Remaining colors of box 5 are light green and dark. And this cannot be dark here, so this must be dark here. So this is light or green. So pink has to be 1, 5, or 9. Okay. Remaining colors in column, well, do we do column? Do we do row? Let's do row 4. We have to have a blue here, and blue cannot be here, so blue has to be here, which leaves this as light green or medium, but it cannot be green because of green in the column, so this is light or medium. Okay, remaining colors in row 5. We have light, dark, green, or yellow. No green here because of green in the column. No yellow here because of yellow in the column. Yellow has to be one of these two. We're not sure which. Remaining colors of row 6. We have light, medium, green, or pink. Okay. can remove A's and B's. Remaining colors of row 2. We have light, medium, dark, green, pink. No orange, red, yellow, or blue. Okay. So no pink here because of pink in the column. Remaining colors of row 3. We have light, medium, dark, green, pink, no orange. It could be red. Okay, so where is red in row 3? Can't be here, can't be here, so red has to be here, which eliminates red from the rest of those colors. So this is red here. And it has to be 1, 2, 4, or 8. So orange is 2 or 4. The digits that can be next to it. Blue is 3 or 6, so that's 3 or 6 there. This is 3 or 6. Now we have a 3, 6, 3, 6 pair in column 3. Interesting. What can be next to 2 or 4 on a Whisper 4 line? 2 can be next to 6 through 9. 4 can be next to 8 or 9. So this is 7, 8, or 9 here. What about 3 or 6? That's interesting. 5 cannot be here. If this is 3, this is 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. If this is 6, it has to be 1 here and 2 here. Okay. So next to both of these, you cannot have 3 or 6 here. So either this is low and these are both high, or this is a 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Cannot be 3 because of the 3, 6 pair in the column. This is 2 or 4. Okay. So 5 is either here or it's this color. So this is 2, 4, 7, 8, and it matches that. So it's really 7 or 8. Because it can't be 2 or 4. So this is 7, 8, which makes this 7 or 8, which makes this 7 or 8. Therefore, this is 7 or 8. Obviously, this could be 7 or 8 here. This, okay. So where are 2? If 2 and 4 have to be in medium, orange, and red. This could not, this could be medium. This could be medium. Ugh. Okay. Three and 6 can only be, well, we have 1, 2, 4, and 8 there. This is 7 or 8 here. This cannot be 3 or 6 here. And this 3 or 6 is green or light. So that must match this 3, 6 here. So this is 3 or 6, which matches that. So that's 3 or 6. Let's mark this as A now. So we have A. These are all the same. Obviously, A is one of those two. A cannot be here. A cannot be here. So A has to be one of those two. So it cannot be green. Oh, this green eliminates green here. Right? Because this is A, matches here. Can't be here, can't be here. So it must be here, so this cannot be A. So green is not A. A has to be light. So this is light, which eliminates light in the rest of the box. This is then medium, which means it eliminates medium here, so that's green. So this is not green, it's light. No light here, no light here. That's medium, which eliminates medium here. That eliminates medium here. No light or medium here. No light here. No light here. This is light and this is light, which means this can't be light. It's medium. Sorry, it's green. Therefore, no light there. This is 1, 5, or 9. Green is here, so this cannot be green here. Therefore, it's pink, which means this can't be pink either. Light here means this can't be light, so that's medium, which eliminates medium here, so that's light. Again, no light here. This is green, yellow, and dark. We have a yellow dark pair here. Green eliminates green here, so this cannot be green or dark. It's pink or medium. Medium eliminates medium there, so that's pink, which eliminates pink in the rest in the row and the box. So no pink here. This is green, which eliminates green here. This is green dark as a pair. This is light. One of these two is medium. We're not sure which. Again, so this is not green. It's pink, which has to be 1 or 5. So this is 1 or 5. 1 or 5. What is medium? It has to be 2 or 8. Because it cannot be 7 or 9. Again, if this is 6, this becomes 1, 2. If this is 3, it's 7, 8, or 9. So this has to be 2, 8, which must be next to 4. So all the oranges are 4. The reds then have to also be 2 or 8. Which eliminates 2 and 8 in the rest of the row. Four can only be next to 9, so this cannot be yellow because yellow is 7 or 8. This is dark, which eliminates dark here, dark here. That's green here. This cannot be green. That's yellow, which means this can't be yellow. That's dark, which means that can't be dark. It's yellow. No dark here means this is medium. Medium eliminates medium here, so it's green, which eliminates green here, so it's dark. No dark here. No medium here, so that's dark. Yellow can only be 7. So yellow is 7, which forces dark to be 9. So dark is 9. This can't be 7 or 9. So red or green has to be 1, which leaves pink as 5. That leaves blue as 6, medium as 2, light as 3, and red as 8. Um, yeah, fun little puzzle. I like palindrome puzzles, because you can color things a lot usually. So this was quite fun. Um, would I consider this easy though? Hmm. I think it's probably more challenging. The logic isn't hard, obviously. It's fairly trivial. The issue though is the execution, and I feel that execution is kind of the challenging level, and it's kind of what makes this the puzzle it is. So I think I would classify this as challenging. It's not quite challenging level. I would say it's between easy and challenging, but then as I tend to say, I like to basically rate the difficulty a little higher than I would normally rather than a little lower. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this solve, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.